Today, we've got an exciting update for you. Live images of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A55 have just surfaced. After months of speculation, leaks, and rumors, Samsung is finally ready to unveil its much-anticipated mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy A55. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is making headlines once again, and it seems like leaks just can't get enough of this device. We've seen it all, from support pages to promotional renders, and even its repairability score. And today, we have got the first live images that showcase the device in all its glory. First up, thanks to tipster Mukul Sharma, we've got our hands on some live images of the Galaxy A55. Now let's take a closer look at the design of the Galaxy A55. As expected, it maintains the sleek aesthetics we've come to associate with the Galaxy S series. However, the notable upgrade here is the shift from a plastic to a metal frame, complementing the glass back and providing a more premium in-hand feel. The device adopts Samsung's new Key Island design language, initially introduced with the Galaxy A15 and A25, elevating the frame where the volume and power buttons are located. And if storage is your concern, fear not, with options ranging from 128 GB to 256 GB and up to 12 GB of RAM, the A55 has got you covered. And if you're someone who loves color options, the Galaxy A55 will be available in black, blue, white, and more. Moving under the hood, the Galaxy A55 packs a punch with the Exynos 1480 SoC chipset. This could potentially make it the most powerful mid-range Samsung smartphone to date, especially when it comes to gaming. Thanks to its GPU based on AMD's RDNA 2 graphics architecture, the performance is expected to be nothing short of impressive. Now let's talk about photography. The Galaxy A55 boasts a versatile camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary camera at the back, accompanied by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 5-megapixel macro camera. For all you selfie lovers out there, a 32-megapixel front-facing camera is in the mix. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or taking a flawless selfie, the A55 has got you covered. That wraps up our first look at the Samsung Galaxy A55. What are your thoughts on this upcoming mid-range device? Are you excited about the design changes and the powerful hardware it brings to the table? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more updates by subscribing to our channel. Until next time, peace. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much-anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy A55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at 3 Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy A54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy A53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy A52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in 3 captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the Key Island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530 based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy A55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy A54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh cell for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy A55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy A55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.